Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a what's in my bag video. I feel like it is a staple kind of video in all luxury YouTubers here on YouTube's channel, and I just kind of wanted to add one on my channel and share with you guys what I have in my bag. If you're new to this channel, my name's Derek, and if you love anything that's like fashion related, unboxing, luxury, reviews, that's the kind of content that I will be making, so please subscribe to this channel if you love all those kind of things. And also press the notification button to be notified whenever I post a video, because I will be posting 2 videos a week. And if you like this video, please press the like button as well, so it'll let me know if you like the kind of content that I'm making here on YouTube. So yeah, let's get right into it, and this is the bag that I've been using a lot lately, and I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my bag. So the bag that I'm going to be showing you guys, it is the Hermes Kelly in size 28 in the cellier kind of style with gold hardware. It has a strap as well, and the leather is box leather. So again, it's 28 centimeters across, and then it is the cellier kind of style. It's more defined instead of like their other style, which is the return, which is a little more like rounded and not so pronounced and like sharp edges and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna open it right now and show you guys all the content that I have in here. The first thing I have in my bag is my keys. It's from Louis Vuitton, and it is the 4 key holder right there. So there's like 2 keys and then like my gym membership, and I really love this thing because it houses the keys and then it doesn't scratch anything that's like in the bag. So this is a great thing to have. I know that they don't have it in the monogram anymore, like the 4 keys, but they have it in the 6 keys, and I believe, don't quote me, I think that they might have this in the Mahina leather as well, and at least I've seen one in the Mahina, or it might be a 6. I'm not sure if it's a 4 key, but the one, like I said, the one that I have is 4 keys. Alcohol whites, it's 75%. There's like 10 pieces. I haven't used it yet, but I have it just in case to like, because of this whole pandemic thing, like I just kind of need to be safe, and like if I touch something disgusting or don't have time to like wash my hands, or like if there isn't a place to wash my hands. So I also do have a mask, like I said, for the whole pandemic, just in case if one of the masks that I am wearing at the moment kind of breaks on me or whatever, and it's just nice to have a backup. I have a Chanel receipt. Yeah, so this one is from Rue Cambon, and this I have it in here because this is the bag that I bought to Paris with me when I bought my 2 Chanel bags right here, and these are actually, I bought them both at the same time. So then the next thing that I have, it is my key wallet thing, the key clay thing. I know clay means key, but the key pouch thing. And in here I just kind of have like my credit cards that I use a lot, and then some like receipts, and then some money. So that's what I have in here. I don't have any keys in here because I know it has like the key hook thing, but I actually took the key hook out because I just kept thinking it was in the way. I specifically wanted this because I wanted to put my credit cards or like my ID and all of that kind of stuff in like a small little thing where I could just grab it and put it in my wallet if I don't bring a bag, just in case. But this is really great to have, and I know like a lot of people have this, and it's seriously something I suggest to everyone to get, because this thing is like amazing. My Empreinte Victorine wallet, I have this because sometimes I just want to separate my credit cards or anything from the key pouch that I just showed you guys. So this is just like kind of like a backup kind of wallet, just to house like cards that I don't use frequently, but I still want to put it in a place where I can just kind of grab it just in case if I do need those cards or not. So then I have my work phone with me, and I have like a Louis Vuitton case on it, so I use this for work. So then the next thing's like really random, and it is a toothbrush. It's from Colgate. It's a white toothbrush. I don't even have like toothpaste in here, but sometimes it's really good to just have, just in case if you kind of just want to brush your tongue, or like if you do need it, just in case, I don't know, like I have it in here just because I know it's wrapped and it's not going to get dirty unless I use it. If I use it, I'll just toss it out, but it's nice to have just in case if you need to like, if you're like staying at someone's place and you need like a toothbrush and you're not going to like, I'm not going to use like someone else's toothbrush, but it's just nice to have a toothbrush if you're staying at someone's place. You feel me? These are like work keys that I need for work, so I just kind of like throw it in here, even though I should use like something to protect them, because I don't want my bag to get scratched up because it is an Hermes bag. So then the next thing that I'm going to show you guys, it is the Kim Kardashian, I think the scent is peonies and pear, or pear and peonies, and this thing literally smells like two different things to me. So when I smell it like this, it reminds me of a scent from Louis Vuitton. I don't remember what the name is, but it smells like Louis Vuitton if you smell it from like the spraying part. But if you actually spray it, it actually reminds me of like fruit roll up from like the candy, if you guys like know what it is. It literally smells like fruit roll up, and I actually really like this scent. I actually haven't smelled the other scents from Kim Kardashian, but if it smells like something like this, oh my god, it smells amazing. And one of the keys just fell. It's just like trash kind of stuff that I just kind of put in here. So that was pretty much my what's in my bag video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and if you do press the subscribe button, please press the notification button as well, because you will be notified whenever I post a video here on this channel. And if you like this video, press that as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, because you're wonderful. Don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.